The 2025 Skoda Karoq is a compact SUV that has been redesigned for the new model year. It features a new grille, headlights, and taillights, as well as an updated interior with new materials and technologies. The Karoq is available with a variety of gasoline and diesel engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid option. Design asterisk. Asterisk expect a significant update to the Karoq's design, inspired by the Skoda Vision 7S concept. This means a more modern and streamlined look with a wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a redesigned rear bumper and tail lights. Asterisk the overall silhouette will likely retain the practicality and spaciousness that the Karoq is known for. Interior asterisk. Asterisk the interior is also expected to get a major overhaul with a focus on simplicity and usability. Think a larger touchscreen infotainment system, a new digital instrument cluster, and new upholstery options. Asterisk some sources mention unique features like a child seat integrated into the center console, but these are likely just concepts and might not make it to production. Performance asterisk. Asterisk the 2025 Karoq is likely to offer a range of petrol and diesel engines, with the possibility of a plug-in hybrid option as well. Asterisk performance details are still scarce, but expect improvements in fuel efficiency and power compared to the current model. Technology asterisk. Asterisk the new Karoq will likely be packed with the latest driver assistance and safety features, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and more. Asterisk expect an upgraded infotainment system with better connectivity and features. Release and price asterisk. Asterisk the 2025 Karoq is expected to hit European markets by the end of 2024, with a global rollout following in 2025. Asterisk pricing information is not yet available, but expect a slight increase compared to the current model. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Skoda Karoq looks set to be a significant upgrade over the current model, offering a more modern design, improved technology, and potentially even a plug-in hybrid option. While we'll have to wait for the official release to get a full review, the early signs are promising for those looking for a stylish, practical, and well-equipped compact SUV.